Sabi ni Senator Lacson, sir, dun sa sana ay hearing on Wednesday, na-cancel lang po. Meron siyang tentative na listahan po ng imbitahin and kasama doon sina Congressman Zaldico and Congressman Romualdez. Sir, kung itutuloy ang investigation, are you inclined to sign the invitation po?
We will leave it to the mahirap mahirap manghula ng pwedeng mangyari. So we leave it to the new chairman if there's going to be invitations. But as far as I know, I was not aware of that really. Ang alam ko, kaya biglang sana tumatawag ng hearing, request ni Senator JB. Meron silang mga district engineers or mga DPWH employees na gusto niyang ipaimbita. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko.
Pero sir,
Kasi saldi ko, paano mo iimbitahin yun? Nasa ano?
Tingnan, sir. Pag hindi po na-serve yung invitation, sir, that would be followed by with the subpoena and
usually,
arrest.
kung medyo naman tayo, usually invitation. Pag hindi inono ni invitation, show cause, order. Maganda explanation, wala kang magagawa. Hindi maganda explanation or hindi natin gusto yung explanation, then subpoena kasunod.
Pero sir, announced na po rin ni Senator Lacson last week, sir, na iimbitahin po sina Congressman Zaldico and Congressman Romualdez. So,
Ganun ang procedure nun. If that is, if it will push through or if it would have pushed through.
Pero sir, kasi congressman pa rin si Congressman Romualdez, Congressman Zaldico is no longer. So,
Parliamentary ethics na pwedeng pagdaanan doon. Isaldi ko, hindi na.
Opo.
Wala ng parliamentary ethics yun.
So pag-uusapan niyo pa po, sir, sa majority block kung padadala ng invitation si Congressman Romualdez o basta in-endorse po ng Blue Ribbon Committee, you'll sign?
But siyempre kung ano sabihin ng Blue Ribbon Committee.